Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I have a wonderful Class C motorhome for you by Forest River, the Forester 2351 LE. A gasoline engine that sits on a Chevy 3500 chassis with a length of 25 feet, 11 feet 3 inches height, and 8.5 feet width. The fuel tank capacity is 57 gallons of gas, and it has no slides. It's got a one-piece fiberglass front cab. It can sleep up to 6 adults. This motorhome has a 44 gallons fresh water, 39 gallons gray water, and another 39 gallons for black water capacity. It also has an integrated entry step. As you enter the coach, you have a very wide, spacious feel to it, even though it doesn't have any slides. It has a U-shaped dinette that can turn into a double bed. A small galley-style kitchen across, with plenty of space to store your items in the kitchen, and a very easy-to-operate, somewhat analog command center above the entry door, which makes using this motorhome very easy for even the most entry-level RVers out there. The dinette has several seat belts so that you can have multiple passengers traveling safely down the road. Over the cab, the bed is actually a full queen-size bed where you can accommodate your guests or your children, and it comes with a 40-inch smart TV. The overcab bed, as you can see, can fold into two, allowing more headroom in the cab during driving and through passages. This Chevy 3500's cockpit is pretty basic in comparison to the competitors out there, but still has power windows and door locks and backup camera with side view cameras with 3-way monitor. The dinette, which turns into a double bed, has also multiple safety belt points, allowing passengers to travel safely. And as you can see, only on one side there's a big drawer to store many of your gears and items. The small galley, the kitchen, has an extension leaf that adds a little bit of countertop to this already small kitchen. Plenty of overhead cabinets to store your kitchenware and food. It's got a recessed 3-burner range with flush glass cover, a 1.3 cubic feet convection microwave, so you can actually bake in this, plenty of other storage drawers and cabinets underneath the microwave and the sink area. There's a lot of space. That's very, very spacious. Also, it comes with a 10.7 cubic feet 12-volt refrigerator with a separate freezer. Look at the space, that's really plenty of space, that's wonderful. And then when you look at it, it's very spacious. Even though this coach doesn't have a slide out, it's still very, very spacious and wide. There's a hanging closet with 2 big, deep drawers underneath for all of your clothing and accessories that you might be bringing along. Right next to it, there's a sink with a cabinet underneath for storage. And the medicine cabinet above behind the mirror. I actually enjoy the fact that this sink is outside so that you could actually have more efficiency while using the bathroom. And one can be outside brushing the teeth, washing hands, applying makeup, while the other one is actually using the toilet. It has a queen-size corner bed I know many of you don't like the corner beds, especially putting on the beddings, and somebody always has to climb over the other to access the bathroom. But it's a very comfortable, again, no slide out coach. It is already prepped for 12-volt TV, whether if you wanted to add one. Plenty of overhead compartments to store extra items. There's 2 shelves above your head area to put your phones, books, water for the night. A very comfortable bathroom. We have a 6 feet 4 inches high shower area with a widget door. And a porcelain toilet. Some hooks already installed on the door to hang your towels or robes. That is very, very comfortable. Once again, there's no slides here, so it's very spacious in this Forester Class C motorhome. It's got 1 max air fan and 2 exhaust fans. That one of those are above the bedroom and the other one in the bathroom. And it also has a 15,000 BTU ceiling ducted ultra quiet air conditioning with heat pump. Also for heating purposes, there is a 30,000 BTU furnace. This coach also comes with 6-gallon DSI gas electric water heater. And also it comes with 1 deep cycle coach battery, option to have 2 of those. In this little compartment, you already have some space, and above it, you also have some more space with some outlets if you wanted to bring your cable box or like a Blu-ray DVD player. That's a place where you can have it stored. Outside, we do have a 15 feet 6 inches long electric awning with lighting. Here is the city water connection. Plenty of outside storage like this one. There's 2 of those on the passenger side. And what I really like about this, that this big compartment here is huge. You can bring a paddleboard, a surf, a bicycle, anything large can go in this big cargo space that can be accessed on both sides. And I've seen people utilizing this section as a laundry chute. They just open a hole underneath the bed, and that's where they put their little laundry bag, and that's a very, very clever and smart place to store your laundry. It also has a 5,000-pound 7-pin connector hitch. A rear view camera. On the driver's side, you do have your 30 amp connector, another cable port. This is the access to the big cargo from the driver's side, which was closed, unfortunately. However, on the driver's side, except that cargo compartment, you have your sewage and all the tank control compartment, the propane compartment, and your generator, which, by the way, the generator is a 4.5 kilowatt gas generator. On the outside, we also have an LP quick connect and a black tank flush. As you can see, this one doesn't have the side mounted solar prep connection. That means that it has 190 watt solar panels up in the roof with a 12-volt charging system located right at the entry at the very bottom step on the left underneath the kitchen. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and please do so. And also you may watch this video, another Class C, this time by Renegade, which I know you will enjoy. Thank you for watching, and until the next time, see you on the road.